Welcome to our tutorial on how to add a member to a private Snapchat story. Keep your stories exclusive by following these step-by-step instructions. To get started, open the Snapchat app on your Android device to access your account. Tap on your avatar or profile picture to navigate to your profile settings. Scroll down to the Private Stories section on your profile page. Next, find the private story to which you want to add a member and tap on the three dots next to it to reveal additional options. Select Edit Viewers from the menu options displayed on the screen. Now, mark the member you wish to add to the private story and tap Save to confirm the selection. Finally, tap Done to complete the process of adding a member to your private Snapchat story. By following these straightforward steps, you can control who has access to your private stories and ensure that only selected members can view them. Thank you for watching this guide on how to add a member to a private Snapchat story. Maintain privacy and exclusivity in your shared content by easily adding members to your private stories. Enhance your storytelling experience on Snapchat by customizing your private story viewers and sharing content with select individuals. Enjoy a more personalized and secure approach to sharing stories on Snapchat by adding members to your private stories.